Hey kids, are you ready to launch it? Loop it, then learn from it.
This is the story of this guy,
I'm Clifton Roosboom.
who partnered with this guy,
My name is Dave Baker.
and their most recent brainchild, the G-Force.
Imagine you're a kid again and you're playing with your friends with Hot Wheel cars. But now you have a speedometer on the car. Meanwhile, they're learning core science concepts that'll carry with them for the rest of their lives.
It can actually be really hard to sort of visualize how speed, velocity, and acceleration are being measured. That's one thing that's really great about G-Force is you have this car, you want to start seeing, oh, what happens when I roll this down a ramp? If I crash into something, if I have it go like kind of up and down a half pipe, and you can visualize the data that's coming out of there.
For the kid, it's just play. For the parent, it's like, wow, my kid's learning some great stuff here. They're really important stuff.
I was getting my PhD in mechanical engineering. I had racks of equipment with wires going everywhere, and I thought this could be a problem that would be useful to solve. This is our fourth Kickstarter. The three previous ones all did terrific.
PocketLab 1 was our first one, and that helped launch our company. And then we've had PocketLab Voyager and PocketLab Weather were part of one Kickstarter, and then PocketLab Air was our most recent one.
First three all hit their goals, and we fulfilled all the products to all the backers on Kickstarter. When the pandemic started, we decided to create an online conference.
Every time we have an event, there's 10,000 people that attend. And we get together and share about science education, bring on really interesting speakers.
Like Neil deGrasse Tyson, the International Space Station, Disney, Science Friday.
That's been one of the proudest things that I've been involved with here at PocketLab.
Since our first Kickstarter, I think we've grown 10 times in size, and that's thanks a lot to the Kickstarter audience and all the amazing teachers who've made our products very, very successful.
By supporting our campaign, not only do you get a PocketLab G-Force, but you're also going to help us get PocketLab G-Forces into the hands of students all over the world.
We're just trying to make science engaging and fun and more interesting than what it has been in the past. We want to change the way science education is done from as young as we can go on up through college. And we want to make it more interesting.
Because all the jobs in the future are going to be based on some kind of technology. So getting something like this in the hands of students now will help prepare them for the future.